Talk some water pumps and power steering pumps for a big block L72 in our Impala. Now, first the water pump. It's from AC Delco. It's a professional premium water pump. And a couple things. They have a heat treated shaft. It's going to give you a lot more performance and durability than, say, the non-heat treated shaft. All the gaskets and O-rings that come with this are going to ensure a tight seal. And another thing is this is the actual recommended GM replacement part for your GM vehicle. Says something right there. Now, if you move over to the power steering pump. Now, the great part about these AC Delco reman pumps is they blow the entire thing apart. And every part that's prone to like wear and failure, they'll replace with a new piece and component. It's also line tested to ensure you get that top pressure. And another thing that's really important, a lot of shops tend to forget to do, is flush the system. Obviously, you're going to bleed the system when you put it in, but flushing the system to get all those old contaminants out of the gearbox and the rack and pinion and so forth is very important. You don't want any old contaminants, any old debris or whatever to get in and ruin your new pump.